All food operators are legally required to install and maintain a grease trap. However, traditional grease traps are problematic, expensive to maintain, and often fail to comply with regulations. Non-compliance is disruptive and costly. A Taylormade BIOTRAP is a simple and cost-effective solution. As fats, oils and grease cool, they rise to the surface. Only water can exit the BIOTRAP. Our automatic dosing system delivers a daily bacterial treatment to digest waste grease. This reduces the frequency of costly cleaning. As part of an optional service contract, we will empty the grease trap and maintain all your compliance records. You can access these in your compliance manual or online. Contact us for more information.